Hello everybody, welcome to the video. This is Colton. I'm building my IT career and sharing everything that I learned to help you grow in yours. So let's get right into this assignment. Today's assignment is configuring SSH. This is packet tracer 1.3.6. Right here we just have 3 steps, which is securing the passwords, then we're going to encrypt the communications and verify that SSH has been correctly implemented. Background here is that SSH should replace Telnet for management connections, because Telnet uses insecure plain text communications, and SSH provides security for remote connections by providing strong encryption of all transmitted data between the devices. So we're going to secure a remote switch with password encryption and SSH. We're going to get right into part 1 here. We're going to get into PC1, go to our command prompt, and we're going to telnet into our switch here, which is 10.10.10.2. Our password is Cisco. We're going to get in to privilege exec mode, and now we're going to get configure terminal, run the service password encryption command so we can make sure that our passwords are encrypted. Now we just need to verify that they are. We're going to do show running config. Okay, so as you can see, our password before just said Cisco because we had not run the service password encryption command yet. Now it is a random string of numbers and letters. So it has been successfully encrypted. Part 1 is done. Now we have to encrypt the communications. So we're going to set the IP domain name to be netacad.pka. All right, we're up to 40%. We need some secure keys to encrypt the data. So we're going to generate RSA keys using a 1024 key length. So that is crypto key generate RSA general keys modulus 1024. All right. So now SSH has been enabled. We're at 60%. All right, now we can get on to step 2 here. So we're going to create a username with the name administrator, and we're going to use secret Cisco to set the password. That is up to 80%. Now we need to configure these VTY lines to check the local username database for the login credentials, and to only allow SSH for remote access. And we're going to remove the existing VTY line or telnet password. Okay, so we're going to get into the VTY line 0 to 15. First of all, no password. Login is local to make sure that it checks the local database. And we're going to make sure that this is only that we can disable telnet and only use SSH. So we're going to use the transport input to SSH command. We are now at 100%, and the configurations should be all good. We're just going to verify that we have implemented the SSH correctly. So we're just going to exit out of here. And now we're going to try to telnet here again to ensure that this has been closed. I'm just going to give that one more try. Yep, that has been closed. Telnet is no longer enabled, and we are only now using the safer protocol, SSH. So the way we get into this is you just got to put in SSHL, your username, and the target IP, 10.10.10.2. Cisco. Okay, so now we have SSH'd into the switch from our PC. And upon successful login, we're going to enter into privilege exec mode. We're already there. And we're going to save the configuration. So the way we do that is we're just gonna hit the copy the running config to the startup config, and that has been saved. So that is the new startup config. So anytime you enter in the switch from now on, the startup config will no longer permit you to use telnet. All right. So that concludes this assignment. I hope this helps you out. This is a pretty good configuration to set on your machines, just because telnet is not secure. It transmits everything in plain text. So it's the one thing you're going to want to make sure to do whenever you are securing your network. So thank you guys for watching. If you're also working towards a career in IT, then make sure to stick around, because this channel is going to help you level up quick. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning. We'll see you guys in the next one.